Hello guys, today we are going to see how to connect a keypad to Arduino. Let's see in Tinkercad. So this is the experiment. I have already connected. I'll explain. In a keypad there are totally 8 pins, out of which 4 rows and 4 columns. The 4 are R1, R2, R3, R4 and respectively C1, C2, C3, C4. We have connected these pins to pins of Arduino, that is R pins to 9876 and column pins to 5432 respectively. Now we can see the code and modify it so that we can get the output. So I'm going to write the code. First I'm going to give the library. Next I'm going to mention how many rows and pins are there. That is 4 we know. Then I'm going to write it in a code, that is constant byte number of rows is equal to 4. Same way I'm going to write for columns. Next I'm going to write the character of key map, that is in key map we have this 123A, 456B, 789C, asterisk 0 hash and D. So I'm going to write this. I'm going to mention this. To mention comma. Mentioned every key map values. Now we are going to give what are the pins we connected to Arduino. So I'm using this syntax byte row pins number of rows which we connected to Arduino is equal to, we have connected 9876 respectively. So I'm going to give 9 comma 8 comma 7 comma 6. That's all. Same way I'm going to do for column. Okay. Now I have mentioned all the Arduino pins we have connected. Next I'm going to give an instance, that is instance for keypad directory my keypad is equal to keypad key map. Let's make key map of the key map. Okay. Then we'll mention the row pins and column pins and number of rows and number of columns. Okay. I have finished it. Now I'm going to give void setup. Serial begin. I'm giving to start. Serial begin. Next I'm giving void loop. In void loop, I'm mentioning the character of key press because whenever we press the key only we can get the output. So I'm giving character of key pressed. Get key is used to get the output. Then I'm also giving a small null value of key press, that is key pressed not equal to caps I'm writing no key. This is a null value. And serial println to print the output. With this our program ends over, so we can start the simulation. Yeah, the simulation started. Now open the serial monitor. You press the key. See, 1 I pressed, 2, 3, any key you press will come 8, 9. Okay, so we have successfully got the output, the connecting keypad to Arduino. First I am given a library file, then I gave the number of rows and number of columns, then I return the character of key map, then I return syntax for Arduino pin, then I have mentioned the instance, then void setup. In void loop I have mentioned the character of key pressed so that we can get the output. Get key is very important syntax here, and I have given a small null value and serial.println to print the output. Thank you guys. So we have derived output. Thank you.